my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is super exciting because I am doing a full makeup of one brand. There is a disclaimer, there are going to be some products that are not this brand because this brand doesn't actually have these products, but I do have majority of the products, and I'm super excited to present to you guys a full face of Anastasia Beverly Hills products. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm super excited because Anastasia just launched their new eyeshadow palette, the Riviera palette, and I'm super stoked to use this palette, and that is what I have on my eyes right now. And they do have some other products, the major products like this Dewy Set setting spray and this loose highlighter that I am going to be including into my tutorial. So yeah, this is what I did with my looks using Anastasia Beverly Hills products. I am proud to say that Anastasia is my favorite brand right now because they just come out with some really bomb products, and their eyeshadow palettes are just extremely good. So yeah, I can find like a good word to describe, but yeah, I'm really impressed with Anastasia, and I can proudly say that they're my favorite brand because the products are just really high quality, and they just come out with some amazing products, and the prices are not too bad. This palette is only $45, which isn't too bad compared to other palettes that are like $50 and upwards. I really enjoy Anastasia's products, and yeah, without babbling on so much, let's just go ahead and jump into this look. If you guys would like to see how I created this look using full face of Anastasia, then please continue watching. Alright you guys, so I've pretty much already prepped my face and everything ready for the eyeshadow. Alright you guys, I am so excited. This is the eyeshadow palette. This is the Riviera palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their newest collection, their spring collection. This is their newest eyeshadow palette, and I'm so excited because there are some pretty bomb colors on here. It's so pretty. I'm so excited to create a look using these colors, and yeah, it's so pretty and colorful. So let's just dive right in to this product. I want to jump into Monte Carlo, this nice pinky shade right here. I'm going to use that as my transitions first. Already so pigmented, so pretty. But I want to go a little bit pinker with this shade right here. This is Bahamas. I'm just going to make it more vibrant and more pink. Oh yes, it is pretty vibrant, you guys. It's really nice. I'm going into Cannes, this purple shade for the outer corners. There are a couple of fallouts, but that is fine with me as long as I have maximum pigmentation. I am fine with that. Same thing to the outer corners of my eyes on this side. And I also like to drag some colors inwards as well. This was super easy to blend, did not give me a hard time at all. I'm going into my Jouer concealer, and I'm just going to add some of that on my eyes just to cut my eyes a bit so I can add some colors, some of those shimmers. I'm going to jump into this beautiful shade over here called Mediterranean. I think it's like a nice blue shade. So pretty. The eye is so pretty. Of course, I'm going back into Cannes, the purple shade on the outer corners, and just going to add some of that. For now, we are going to stop with the eyes, and we are going to work on the face. This is their stick foundation in the shade Cool Beige. So I'm going to apply this onto my face. So I'm just going to put it all over my face. They do not have that much coverage. As you can see on here, still a lot of my scars are still showing. I'm just gonna add a little bit more, especially on these areas where I need more coverage. Yeah, it definitely adds a little bit more coverage on the area that I added more. Anastasia does not have concealer, so I'm just gonna go in with my regular concealer, my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm going to just use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder because Anastasia does not have a powder. So I'm just going to use this all over my face just to set my foundation and concealer. Right, next, you guys seen this Plenty of Time, my powder bronzer. This is in the shade Tawny. And I'm going to use this as a contouring shade. I love contouring with this powder. Let's add some on this forehead now, shall we? And then this one is the Blush Trio in the shade Peachy Love. So there's this kit right here, and I'm going to add these two shades on the outer corner here. This one is Nectarine and Ginger. I'm just going to like put it together like this. It's like a nice rosy look onto the skin. I'm going to add a little bit of baking underneath here. Nothing new. So I do have my Anastasia Brow Wiz right here, and this is in the shade Taupe. Spoolie out these brows. Alright, one brow done. I actually bought this new Anastasia Dip Brow Gel right here too. This is the Soft Brown Dip Brow Gel. So I'm a little bit afraid to use it. I'm going to add a little bit of that on top of it. It's a little messy though. That's really easy to clean, so. Right, so let's go ahead and work on the other brows and then we'll be right back. Got my coffee. I got my coffee Frappuccino. So I'm done with my brows. I swear that takes me forever. So I can't possibly ever finish my brows like when I'm filming. So that's why I have to take it off filming. But I'm done with my brows and took off the baking. So I want to go ahead and finish the eyes. I am going to add a wing liner, and this is the Kat Von D tattoo liner because I don't think Anastasia has like a eyeliner. So I'm just going to add that on here. Actually like running out. Let's go ahead and work on the lower lash line, and we are just going to duplicate the same colors under here. So I'm going to use Bahamas, that hot pink shade that I use on the crease. We are going into Cans. That one is also going in the lower lash line. For the inner corners, I want to go in with this yellow shade right here, Cabana. So I'm also going to add Inheritance, nice gold shade. I will be applying that right on top, so it could give it more of a brightness. To finish off the eyes, we are going to lashes, and these are the Allure Luxe Silk lashes, and this is in the style Opal. I enjoy Allure's lashes. I think it's really nice. Alright guys, we are almost done with this look. I am just going to add some highlighter, and I love Anastasia's powder highlighters. They are so nice, so blinding and pretty on the face, on the cheeks. But they did come out with these new loose highlighters, and these are the loose highlighter, and this is in the shade Snowflake. Super excited to use this one. I'm pretty sure this one is going to be like banging as well. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that onto this cap here. And I love that it doesn't like come out so much, so it's not too messy. I did watch Norvina's her Instagram story where she was talking about these highlighters, and she said that they made it just like the perfect size, so it's not too messy and the right amount just come out. So I'm super excited to use this. I'm going to use a brush, a flat brush, and I'm just going to tap this. I'm just going to apply that. Oh my gosh, like that. Just gonna apply some of this to the cheekbones. It's really intense. I love how easily this is blending. Right, so I'm also super excited for this. This is the Anastasia's Dewy Set Setting Spray, and I am super excited. Look how bougie this little packaging is. So glittery, like I would not want to throw it away. It's so nice. Smells really nice. And the mist isn't too bad. And to end this look, we are going in with one of Anastasia's liquid lipstick, and I have two here. I have Allison and I have Veronica, so I'm not really sure which one we'll go in with. I really want to go in with Veronica right now. I haven't worn this lipstick in a while, and I forgot how like nice it applies on the lips. I love Anastasia's liquid lipsticks and the lipsticks too. Alright guys, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you guys enjoy these products from Anastasia. Definitely pick up this palette, you guys. It is so pretty. These beautiful shades, and it blends so well. You guys saw what I did when I was blending it on my eyes. Like, I didn't even have to use a lot of like blending because it's just so pigmented and it's just so easy to blend. As all Anastasia's products, I really enjoy it. I would definitely have to try out this product some more. This is their dewy set. It's really good so far. It smells really nice, and I love this highlighter. Just look at this blinging. It's the bomb. That's all I have to say, you guys. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.